Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back again with another hair video. So today we are going to be doing this beautiful jumbo box braid. I really love how this hair came out. I had so much fun doing this video and the hair came out so nice. I was feeling myself after I finished doing my hair. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm just trying to divide my hair. This part you really have to take your time because it's a little bit hard if you are not too used to doing it. I just started to grow my hair out 5 months ago. I'm gonna put the video down below where I cut my hair so everything can start to grow fast. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Let's get started. So now, as you guys can see, I'm taking my time just parting the roll. My hair is very thick. If you guys see my hair in person, it's very thick. So if you have a thick hair, don't get frustrated. Just take your time and just part the roll, because trust me, it's very difficult, especially if your hair is short. So that is what I'm doing right now. And then next, I'm just gonna start dividing the hair into the size that I want my jumbo braids to be. As you guys can see, I'm doing it really big because I really wanted to see how jumbo braids will look on my head. And now I'm just using the rubber band method. I really like to do this, especially when my client hair is short. So now I'm doing it on my hair and it works well for me. So I'm just taking my time, taking the edge control, making sure that the roll is very part really nice. That's the key to this type of hairstyle. Try your best to make the roll really straight because that's what make the hair more pretty. So that is what I'm doing right now. Just taking my time. I'm not rushing, you know, and you just got to really take your time in this. So I finished doing one side. This is how it's looking right now. And then I went ahead and I started braiding my hair off camera. This is the hair that I'm using. I just have this hair sitting around here and this hair is pretty short. So you guys gonna see the trick that I'm gonna do with this hair. So right now I'm just gonna go up close and try to take the crochet and just, you know, hook the hair in. I love to do this because it helps me to grab my short hair more. So I do this trick and then I put the edge control on the extension and my hair so that I can be able to grab the hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see here, I'm taking the hair and I'm stretching the hair a little bit. But then, and you guys will see in the video again, I'm gonna go in and add more hair at the end so that the hair can be more longer. So right now I'm taking my time, you know, just take your time on this part because sometimes this part gets pretty tricky, especially if you have a very thick hair. I tried this on myself before, like off camera, and I had to like teach myself with my hair because my hair was coming out a lot, so I had to keep on doing it just for me to get it right. So now I'm just going in now and just braiding the hair down. Take your time on this part too because it's jumbo braids. You are doing it, so you have to try your best for the braids itself to look neat, not messy. So after I finish braiding that hair, I'm just making sure everything looks right and just taking any extra hair that's on the hair. And then now I'm just gonna take some color 27 blonde hair and mix it up with a black just to have that little bit of highlights at the front. And then I'm just gonna take my time and start braiding the hair the same way how you guys saw I did the other one. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing with this front hair. So I went ahead and I finished the other hair of camera, and now I'm just gonna go ahead now and finish the back hair of camera as well. So now I'm done doing this hair, guys. I had to stop in between because my kids needed my attention, so it took me a while to come back, but I'm finally back. And now I'm just gonna take my time and take all the extra hair off just for the hair to look more neat. And then I'm going to go in with my hot water. If you don't know how to do this part, ask someone to help you do this part. If you don't know how to do this part yet, ask someone, because I got burned a few times before I can learn this by myself. So I'm just wiping the hair off right now. I'm gonna take my mousse and just put it at the front and slick it nice, make it look good. And then after, I'm gonna take my wrap and just tie the front hair so that it can dry. And then I'm gonna take my mousse again and just put it all on top of the hair so all the extra hair can lay down and so that the hair can look really neat. After that, I'm gonna take my hair tie and just tie my hair so that it can take its time to dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. So I'm gonna leave you guys here right now. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. Thank you and have a blessed day.